So today I'm about to start on Ezekia's hair. We have picture day tomorrow and it's already been cleaned and just been in a protective style. So I'll take care of that. So but I'm just gonna show y'all. So we go to Queens Crown Beauty Supply, Hampton and Newport News first black owned, women owned beauty supply shop. I've been rocking with the twins, Sharita and Shalita, for for a long time. I can't even say. So this is their 4th year in business, and so one of the reasons why I like going to their shop is because prices are decent. All right, and they also give samples. They give out handfuls of samples. So I'm gonna turn this sample around real quick. So they got sample of this hydrating buttercream infused with argan oil, and I'm gonna put some of this in Ezekia's hair. This is what we starting off with. What your head, girl? Stop playing. So I'm gonna so I added some hair at the top just so she can put up in a bun, and then yeah. So I'm about to take these out, do me a zigzag pattern, and then take these out and do another type of pattern, and then I'll come back. So I hope y'all enjoy. Okay, you guys, we're on the second part of her hair. So this is my base for the bottom part of the crochet. This poofy piece will connect the front part to the back part, and so beautiful, 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 healthy hair. Yes, yes, yes. And so yeah, this is where we at right now. Everything looking all nice and moisturized. Yes. All right. So here is my front pattern for her hair. If y'all can see, I gotta do this other side, but I just wanted to show. Okay, you guys, let me go ahead and do an official introduction. My name is Atoya. I am the wife of Douglas and the mother of Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia. And we are the family that loves life and having fun, to give you the motivation, inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. This is a really quick video of me pretty much doing Ezekia's hair. And I'm not actually showing you when I'm braiding and crocheting. I'm just showing you in between that's in between the parts and how they look. Eventually I will show you that part. Hey, I can't wait another day to tell you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm finding games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it. 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 If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Jump on my roller coaster and hold tight. It won't be easy, but it'll be fun. Sometimes it goes the whole way up and down. I think you're ready now to leave the ground. Get in the fast lane, babe, you can make it. I promise I'll be there all the way. And if you get a little broken down, all that you gotta do is keep your head high. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm finding games. Y'all, I've already finished her hair. She had to go potty and she'll be back, and so we'll get into final results of her hair. I just want to let y'all know I did crochet method with a crochet needle, and the hair is the Freetress Braid crocheted hair. I got the hair from Queens Crown Beauty Supply in Newport News, Virginia. That's their second store. Their first store is in Hampton, Virginia. Black owned, women owned beauty supply store. I love them. I appreciate them. So I'm going to show y'all the final results of Ezekia's hair. Yeah, so I really hope y'all enjoyed this really short video of me doing Ezekia's hair. And yeah,
that's it. Just a little hair motivation for you, because I don't just clean around here and cook around here. I do hair around here. I do schoolwork around here. Dog feeding, dog bathing, dog nail trimming. We do all those things around here. Same thing with the cat and the fish. So yeah. So we're about to end this video. Like I said, stay tuned for the ending results. As always, we are the family that loves life and having fun, and give you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly. Abundantly. That is the most part you should really listen to in our mission. Abundantly, with God's love. Meaning, live your life full of love. Live your life full of joy. Live your life abundantly. Okay? With God's love. And thank you for spending your time with us, because time is very precious. There are so many people in this world dying for silly reasons that don't make any sense to us, but it may be a reason behind it. And you know, it's a hard time for everybody in this world. So thank you again for spending your time with us. We truly appreciate it. Me, Douglas, Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia. And so yeah, and if you haven't yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and join our family, okay? By pressing that subscription box down below. And go ahead to make sure you click that thumbs up if you like this video. And don't forget to share this video with someone, okay? Someone who may need help learning how to crochet or anything like that. I will be doing a tutorial on plaiting, comb rolling, and braiding shortly. I have been asked these questions, and I will do those once I can figure out how to get the views right. Okay, but yes, so the next clip will be the rest of the pictures of Ezekia's hair. Y'all be blessed. See y'all on the tube.
At my own expense, so I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Maybe I need some space, need somewhere else to go, to release, to relax, to let my emotions flow.